I'm Michael Katz, and I'm the owner of Edible Arrangements located in Ithaca, New York. The store opened in December of 2016, so we've been here about a year and a half. We make deliveries about a 25-mile radius of the store, so we do all of Cortland. We go down to Spencer, we almost go to Watkins Glen, up north to Trumansburg. At Edible Arrangements, we do help people celebrate special events with fresh fruit bouquets and chocolate-dipped fruit, and the most popular event is probably birthdays. We do birthdays year-round, almost every day of the year. We're open 7 days a week. And our busiest day is Valentine's Day, and the second busiest is Mother's Day, which is coming up. You're going to have fruit, so you're going to have a little bit of melon, some strawberry, some pineapple, and what makes it really good is when we dip the strawberries in chocolate. So you could also dip pineapple in chocolate, you can dip bananas in chocolate, and all that can be included in the arrangements, but most moms like chocolate.